tell OpenGL that we would like to use these shaders? Well, for starters, we're going to go and create a vertex shader. So we're going to go unsigned int vertex shader is equal to GL create shader, and will be of type GL vertex shader. Then we need to tell OpenGL what the source code of this shader is. We're going to go GL shader source, and it's for the vertex shader. We're going to give it 1 bit of source code, and that 1 bit of source code is vertex source.cstring. This function is expecting a pointer to the data associated with the string. So the cstring function happens to give us a pointer to the data associated with the string. Oh, it wants a pointer to it. We're going to go char pointer temp equals the cstring, and then we'll pass it a pointer to temp. Because we want to pass it an array of pointers. So can't convert. Is it wanting this to be char pointer? Well, let's just pass it and tell it that it should be fine. And then it wants one more null pointer. Since we have a null terminated string, we can just say null pointer and have OpenGL figure it out for us. So then we have our vertex shader. We need to tell OpenGL to compile the shader. So give it the vertex shader. And now we need to create a fragment shader. We're going to do a lot of the same things. We're going to go unsigned int fragment shader equals GL create shader, GL fragment shader, and then GL shader source. We'll actually copy this over and pass the fragment shader, and then we'll do the same thing here. We'll say temp equal to the fragment shader, and then we'll pass it the memory address of temp, kind of abusing the definition of an array here somewhere.